Welcome! Today we'll be touring the systems of the human body. Let's get started.
Our first stop is the digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and eliminates waste. The teeth mechanically digest the food, whereas saliva is anabolized. An enzyme begins to break down chemical bonds in food. Once food is chewed, the muscles push down the bolus down the throat.
The endocrine system is important because it controls growth and development, releases hormones, and helps maintain homeostasis in the body. The thyroid has glands in your throat that regulates the body's metabolism due to the production of thyroxine, the hormone produced by the thyroid gland. It also produces calcitonin, a hormone that decreases blood calcium levels.
The nervous system recognizes and coordinates the body's response to changes in its internal and external environment. The spinal cord is the main communication link between the brain and the rest of the body. Certain kinds of information, including reflexes, are processed directly in the spinal cord. For example, when you touch something hot, nerve cells will send impulses to your brain and spinal cord, which will in turn send signals for you to stop touching that. Ow! Okay. The skeletal system supports the body, protects internal organs, allows movement in your bodies. Bones give structural support. Bones have three parts. There's the periosteum, which is a tough layer of connective tissue. Beneath the periosteum is the compact bone. Inside the compact bone are perversion canals, which contain blood vessels and nerves. The middle of a bone is the spongy bone, which adds strength to bone without adding a mass.
Next, I will be talking about the muscular system. This system works with the skeletal system to produce voluntary movement. It helps to circulate blood, and it helps to move through food through the digestive system. One type of muscle is skeletal muscle. It is located inside the bones, and it controls voluntary movements. Skeletal muscles have many striations and nuclei.
The integumentary system guards against infection, injury, and ultraviolet radiation. It also regulates body temperature and removes waste products from the body. One organ is the hair. Hair covers most body surfaces and protects the scalp from UV rays. It also provides insulation from the cold. Hairs are produced by hair follicles. Hair in some parts of your body prevents dirt and microorganisms from entering the body. For example, eyelashes, sebaceous glands, are oily secretions that condition the hair.
To get the dreamy, beautiful locks you've been dreaming of comes the integumentary system.
The circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the cells, regulates body temperature, and removes waste from the tissue. The heart is a major part of the circulatory system. The heart is divided into four chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Powerful contractions of the myocardium pump blood through the circulatory system. Valves in the heart prevent backflow. Starting with the vena cava and pulmonary veins, oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood travels out the pulmonary arteries and the aorta.
If you never want to miss a beat, take a listen at the circulatory system. The lymphatic system's main function is to collect fluid, known as lymph, that is lost by the blood and return it back to the circulatory system. Lymph flows through the body first by collecting in lymphatic capillaries. Then the lymph flows into larger lymph vessels. Ducts collect the lymph and return it to the superior vena cava. The spleen's functions are similar to the lymph nodes. Blood flows to our spleen and is cleansed of microorganisms and other debris. The spleen also removes damaged blood cells and stores platelets.
The immune system protects the body from disease. There are nonspecific defenses and specific defenses. The most important nonspecific defense is skin. The skin is the largest organ in your body. Very few microorganisms can penetrate the skin. It serves as protection against diseases. However, if the pathogen breaks through the skin, the other parts of the immune system, such as white blood cells, will fight the infection. Also, the immune system will release chemicals which will stop the growth of pathogens. No one likes being sick, so visit the immune system to stay healthy today.
The reproductive system is broken up into male and female. Testosterone, a hormone produced in the gonads, causes the male to have physical changes such as facial hair, increased muscular development, and deepening of the voice. Estrogen, another hormone, causes the female to have physical changes such as breast development and widening of the hips. The main function for the male reproductive system is production and release of active sperm when puberty is complete. The main function of the female reproductive system is producing eggs, cells, and to be able to nourish a developing embryo. Both functions, when completed, allow males and females to be able to reproduce. Within testes are hundreds of tiny tubules called seminiferous tubules, where the sperm develop.
I hope you've enjoyed our tour. Visit these 10 body systems today.